ocean provides countless benefits to the mankind, whether it is a food or resources, both living and non-living resources, or it is every oxygen what we are breathing, every alternative breath oxygen comes from the ocean. But we need to have a clear ocean, clean ocean. For that we have to safeguard our ocean. The ocean mainly it is polluted mainly because of the coast. The pollution comes from the rivers and it goes to the sea. And then once it goes to the sea, then it disintegrates with the sun and become microplastic and macroplastic and nanoplastic, and that consumes by fish, and then again it is coming back to the mankind. So we need to safeguard our ocean. So our objective is to safeguard the ocean, clean ocean, clear ocean, and protective and as well as predicted ocean. That is our objective. In that aspect, we are able to culminate all the people from youngsters and various ministries and volunteers, so that they can participate all, not only participate in 75 days, but also it has to be a value chain, or it has to be the part of their life to have a clear or protective ocean.